off your feet.
It's a spectacular show. It's about fun.
Mary Poppins. Visit Ticketmaster.com today.
How often have you heard the phrase, the only constant is change? Well, change can be a good thing. It can take the very best of what was and create an even better what can be. Recently, Amberly went through its own change, now boasting a beautiful new decor, while retaining the same charm that has made Western New York the most popular community. If you're considering a change for your life, open your mind and open the door to Amberly, and then listen to your heart. Dr. Jake's ex-fiancé, what a moment about. Did Deanna cheat on him? For Simple Truth tonight on Last Day. Jake goes public. And she finally was a monster. Did you or didn't you cheat on Jake? Who do you believe? What side are you on? Team Jake all the way. This guy got down on one knee on national television, and she walked out on him. The intersection of their relationship that had no intimacy. I don't blame her for walking. Dancing contestant Lauren Taylor indicted on rape charges by a New York grand jury today. She's monster? She's not a monster?
Lauren Sanders waits not only defense today.
Lady Gaga's new stumble. Plus,
This woman's a jerk. I hate her.
sign of slander after her unladylike New York Mets meltdown.
Then,
Michael is my brother.
Michael Jackson's long-lost illegitimate sister.
On the anniversary of his death, her only TV interview about growing up in shame.
Tonight's reality show series, all new Obsessed, the mother of 5 who can't stop exercising.
I guess he recognizes this as a problem.
The Insider with host Laura Spencer, correspondent and attorney Chris Jacobs, Insider legal analyst Lisa Bloom. The Insider.
The Insider. What side are you on?
Now from New York, The Insider is on.
Jake versus Deanna. Bachelor breakup is ugly as Deanna comes to The Insider with her side of the story. Welcome to The Insider, the only entertainment show with breaking news and opposing views. And we are going to talk to Deanna in just a moment. But first, the war.